Good morning, everyone, and thank you so much for an amazing support over the lip week. It was like it kept me so busy, and I really enjoyed doing the videos and the lives with everybody. And so, thank you so much. And this week, it's going to be all about our skincare. I would say, even though I started with Lipsons, my ultimate what's like a love towards this brand is lies in the skincare because here you have such a quality product, and also it speaks for itself. And I am a product of this product, I would say, because it has personally helped me in many ways. So that's why I'm so excited for the week. So you get a no makeup face for today. So I'm always proud of how much I have come, and I am always so comfortable in my own skin. So even though whatever imperfections are there, I am still happy that I am able to take care of myself from where I was and how much I have come. Today we are going to concentrate on one important thing that makes a huge difference from our product to any other product. That is nothing but a kinetic enzyme called Senaplex complex, which is there in almost every single skincare product and also in our makeup because it's a proprietary concept from Senagen. So you won't find it in any other product other than Senagen. So that's why I want to specifically talk about it, because that makes the huge difference when you start using each one of the product. If you're buying from me or from Senagens, I know most of you will have got this beauty book. If you haven't, you can always check out the PDF too. It's there in the website too anytime, because they get updated every quarter, because the new products that get released will be added. And it's always the permanent line products that gets added to the line, like if there is a new skincare product, a hair care, anything. And the similar way, if it is lips and eyeshadow or blush, it's always permanent line products. You will be able to find them in the beauty book. If you see the beauty book, it's been laid out very nicely so that you can understand the company and other things. So if you see, first it talks about what is it, like our founder Joni. That will be the first thing they start, and the next thing they start itself is about what is the importance of Senagens. And the first thing they talk about is obviously the Senaplex complex. So from that itself you can understand how much Senaplex complex means to our company. And while talking about Senaplex complex, our CEO Joni explains how she came up with this thing. Is like they travel to South Pacific region to a place called Vanuatu. It is where you have volcanic eruptions, and they saw plants thriving in between all those destructive environment, like with the lava and everything, but still they could see the plants thriving. So they started researching on how it is, and that's how we found that volcanic ash too, which you will find in many of our products, which is really help with the antioxidant. And it's really what is it, like one of a very few product that will be like makes a huge impact in our skin. So what's the Senaplex complex? If you see, when we talk about kids when they fall down, or when you touch when they touch your kid's skin, you say you can feel how soft and supple it is. And also we always say when they have a scratch or when they fall down, it heals faster. That's because their skin cellular turnover is really fast. They get newer skin cells so quick. That way that's why the wound or anything gets healed very fast. But as we age, the cell turnover slows down, and even sometimes we don't get newer cells for a month, 4 weeks or 5 weeks. So that's when we start to see all these wrinkles and the aging signs and all. So what Senaplex complex is going to do is, it's going to be like a boost to your cellular turnover. So it's going to increase it by 23.3%, which is really huge, because we always talk about having the skin cells as plumpier as grapes. then they turn into raisins because they are starting to lose moisture, and then they become flaky with cornflakes. So that's one thing we always show when we talk about the cell plumpiness of the cell. So if you consider our skin, it is in different layers. So what it does is the newer skin cells get generated in the bottom of the layer, and they have to travel to come up. But as we age, by the time they reach the top layer, they are almost dead, or they don't have that plumpiness. So that's why you will start to see what is it, like a dullness in the skin, and there will be roughness, and your pores will become larger because we persevere. And once you doesn't have proper moisture in your skin, that's when wrinkles start to show up. That's why we always say, if you can, please wash your face at night and put a lot of moisture at that time, because when you sleep, the skin cells are going to turn over, and that way they get to drink that moisture and make feel plumpier again. So your skin has to be soft and supple. Have you seen like your mom or grandma? You can see that there is no stretch to their skin. It is like it feels like, what is it, like it has wrinkles, and it starts to doesn't have that plumpy skin back. So that's why having to take care when we are young makes it more important than waiting for the wrinkles to show up and then use a quality product. And with Senegens, all our results that are getting published are given to a third party lab. That way they it's what's it, like, it's not biased. It's they give the product to someone else, and they will do the testing on different age groups, different skin types. That way they get published. And here you can see the results from Senaplex complex. So this is week 0 of it, and by 8 weeks you can see how much the what's it, like, the wrinkles started to reduced, and you can see the skin look very nice. So that's why I always say, give at least a few weeks for you for the skin to settle down with your routine. So, and I also ask you to take a picture before you start your skincare, and then take it after 4 weeks or 8 weeks, because since we were looking at ourselves every single day, sometimes we don't notice it. But when you take a picture like this, you will be able to go back and compare how much you have traveled in that time. And skin is like any other organ. For example, if you are going to a gym and started a new workout, your body may feel sore, sometimes it may react, all those stuff. But if you give up that, then that time itself, then you are not going to get the results. So you need to push through and work on it, and then by the time you will get the success. So similarly, if you are starting a new skincare, always give the skin some time to adjust to it. For example, if you are an oily skin person, I know many of them avoid moisture, thinking that your skin is already producing so much moisture and why do I need it. But if you think of this way, the skin is thinking that it doesn't have moisture, that's when it started to produce excess oil. So if you have the right moisture, and then the skin will slowly start to adjust. Okay, I think they are putting back some moisture, so I don't have to produce that much. So but it is like, it is not going to happen overnight. It needs some time to understand and then adjust to it. And if you have a teen, then that's the right time for them to even start, because having a good skincare routine makes a huge difference. It's like having a healthy habit of eating of good vegetables, or having a habit of what is it, like maintaining a routine, whether they clean their space, all those stuff. So when we started it young, then it becomes part of their life. So I always suggest, even if you have a teen, having a good cleanser for their face, and just a night cream and all will really help them to have maintain a healthy skin. Similar way, we don't have to wait to until 40 or 50 and then start our anti-aging skincare. It's always like the moment you are born, you are what is it, like, you start to age. So anyone who is after 20-25, they can always start these kind of products, because it will once you start using, you itself feel how much your skin needs that hydration and how much it feels good to have even this small 2 minutes for yourself. It's not going to take a lot of time. I am so passionate, so I use every single one in this line, but it doesn't mean you have to. I always customize based on what you need, your current needs are, and how much you will be able to use it. And I always make sure to follow up once a month or so. That way I can keep you in a track, and if you are falling down, then you will be able to get back on track and you start using it again. And if you see the Senaplex complex, I just want to read in how many of the products it's there. So it's there in our cleansers, moisturizers, eye cream, climate control, Serum C, collagen night pack, Nangai oil, under eye dark circle treatment, exfoliators, I mean the resurfacer and detox mask, brightening multivitamin, hydration facial serum mist, the acne treatments, our foundations, pearlizers, concealer, blush scents, shadow scents, silk, and the new anti-wrinkle serum. And not only in that, in our translucent powders and sunscreen and tanning oil and the hand cream, and including perfume and makeup removers. That is like really mind blowing, because as I said, since being the proprietary concept, they were able to make it incorporated even in the makeup line. As I said, not only in skincare, the makeup that you are going to put on top will look really good only when your skin underneath is good. So that's why I always stress on skincare. This week you are going to learn so much, and please feel free to ask any questions if you have. There is no right or wrong questions. If I don't know the answer, I will always go back, research, learn about it, and come back and let you know. So I will also learn along with you guys. So don't hesitate to ask any question, and always I am open to do a FaceTime video or a Zoom or anything that is comfortable. And I always feel like we can even get in like a Zoom call with your girlfriends, where we can do just like you can all get in the samples and try like a girls night out, where you get to try the product. And that way you will feel what is it, like a interactive, and also you will learn along with it. When we have, that's the reason I think last week's live everybody enjoyed, because it's not only from my side. When the other person does, you will be able to connect, and you will be able to talk about every person will have different problem areas that they want to address, or every skin type is different. So that way all these will be your learning to enjoy the product more. So with the Senaplex complex, here are the results from a 4 to 8 week study. So what it does is it increases moisture content by 54.2%, increased luminosity by 48.7%, increased firmness and elasticity by 51.9%, reduced fine lines and wrinkles by 55.7%, and balances skin tone and helps with blemished skin. So you can see all these results are here. So you will be able to read about them. What is the what is it, like thing that has been done. If you see, it increases collagen synthesis by 168%. It is not 1 or 2, it's by 168%. So that's how much you will start to see the results once you start to use these products. And as I was saying, even you can start with just one and then slowly add on. And by what is it, like by month or two, you will know it is like comes as a practice to do these skincare routines. And these routines are not going to take like tons of your time. I always feel this 1 minute or 2 minute for yourself makes a huge difference, and a product that really works will also help. So sometimes just that if the product says that it has an ingredient, doesn't mean it has to be in the active state. So that is other major difference when it comes to Senagen. So when the product has that ingredient at the active form, then you will start to see the results more and more. So hope this week you will learn something new, and always feel free to ping me about if you have any doubts. Have a wonderful day, guys.